Hi, this is Amit from Hebeu Farms. Actually, from my last video, if you see, I was telling you guys like how to do the pruning when the plant is starting to grow. So, if you would have followed the measures which I would have said, so this is how you could see your tree would be, grow into a better tree. I mean, so that there is no unwanted. Here, if you see, there is no unwanted branches or stems which has grown along with the tree. So the tree has grown to a next level, and from there the branches has grown up. So this is how you should concentrate on growing an mango tree or any kind of fruit tree. It matters. So every time in Hebeu, what we do is that whenever we grow mango trees or any kind of a fruit tree, we actually go with the timber plantation, so that this mango trees which emits a citric nature, which will also be able to give a good nitrogen support to timber trees, so that timber trees would grow good and better. In the same manner, every time when we do, we also follow this multi-farming method. Here in this farm, where our customers have said that they don't want to go with timber initially, so then what we have done is, instead of wasting the land with just mango trees, we have also went with turmeric here. So these are the turmeric plants which we are growing along with the mango trees, so that this mango trees will take at least a year to reap the profit. In the same tenure, we'll also be able to reap a profit from the turmeric as well. That's how we are focusing out here. So never waste the soil that you have got. So that gives you a maximum return, so that you can reap some good returns, and you can ensure that your maintenance and every other aspect of the farm is being taken care only from the other subsidiary plantation that you do. And your mango trees could also reap you some decent plant returns as well. So today at Hebeu, you can see, so Hebeu is the only managed farmland company in the entire nation which has also got a subsidiary branch in the market. One is our Hebeu Fresh, which is our supermarket. So what we do is, so we grow everything in our own farm and we sell it to the end user, so that everything, I mean, in the sense, like even the mangoes that we grow here shall be sold to a decent price. So since we are also following this organic farming methods, and we put a stalls in different apartments across the Bangalore, so that every fruit that we grow would go for a premium price, so that could reap us better returns when compared to the other farmers. In the same way, we're also focusing on multi-farming method, so that this actually supports us to do the maintenance of the farm. So this is the best practice that one should follow, so that they can reap some decent returns over the period of time. It should not be focusing on just one tree. For an example, if a customer is asking us to go with only sandalwood trees or fruit trees, that's also possible. If someone is asking for us to go with only fruit trees, even that is also possible. If someone is asking to go with fruit trees with multi-farming methods, even that is also possible. And when if customer tells Amit, I want only fruit trees, then we would suggest so to go with multi-farming, because they can reap profits from every bit of a soil that they would have bought from us. So this is the best practice of doing the farming methods. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos and updates of Hebeu Farms, subscribe our channel, so that you'll get every updates of how we do the farming and the better way of farming methods and all. Thank you.